I'm Kusum Gadhia, and he's my elder son Rishi Gadhia, and he's my younger son Shashi Gadhia.
So while we were making the house, I was looking for some lift options. Nibav Lifts was one of the options which came to me. I had compared with many other companies from Bombay, Bangalore, Karnataka, everywhere. But here the professionalism of the people who came and saw and showed the lifts, the demo which was showed to us, everything looked very easy to go and everything was very smooth, and that is why we went for the lift. The service was extremely good. Like, the people came for more than 7 to 10 times without any complaints to my house to have the measurements correct. Everything was done very, very smoothly, and that is why I went for Nibav Lifts. So in terms of safety of the lift is very, very safe. Like, even if the current goes off, the lift automatically comes down. And apart from that, there is an emergency button also inside. Supposedly, if we press, there is the alarm goes off, and even there is an intercom inside the lift which is given. So in terms of safety parameters, they have taken 100% care, where there is nothing to worry. It is that 100% safe.
So the main reason why we went for Nibav lifts is that a traditional lifts take up a lot of space, and a traditional lift, a lot of structural changes is required to be broken and to be changed. But whereas in the Nibav lift, it takes a very small space of 3x3, wherein no big damage or nothing has happened. It is a very smooth and easy process which goes on, and it is a very aesthetically, if you see, every person who has come to our house says, wow, the lift looks so beautiful.
Yeah, I highly recommend my friends, my relatives who are facing the back pain, knee problem. So everyone, I recommend that Nibav for using this lift.
The best investment which I made in my house is of this lift only. In terms of taking care of the luggages when we come up from the first floor to ground floor, while anyone is not feeling well, that time also the lift is very useful. We always thought that no, staircase will be more than sufficient, but then while we purchased, it is one of the best investments and best. But to be honest, it is my 100% recommendation to go for the lift. It will be very, very, very useful, and only after putting it you will realize it, and maybe a few years down the line you will require it, so better put it now itself, so there is not much of disturbance in the house scenario.
I would 100% tell everybody who are thinking to take a lift at home to 100% don't have a second thought, and surely it's going to be very helpful, very needful, and it's going to be a very useful thing at home, because down the line, as we all see that we are facing a lot of issues with our body. So this lift is been very helpful to my family, and I hope everybody not to have a second thought and go for the lift immediately.
So this lift, whenever people come to our house, they are always surprised, like how in an apartment, in flat system, you have put this kind of a lift. They are very surprised, and they like the look of the lift, and so many people have come back to back to our house just to see and have a feel of the lift in the house. So it is a highly recommended product. Thank you, Nibav Lifts.